Welcome to the screencast for importing a text file into Transana. As you can see, we've already created a library called Learning Transana, which is displayed in the Libraries node of the database tree. We want to import a source text file, so our next step is to create a document in that library to hold our source text file. Transana can import text in Word DOCx format, rich text format, plain text format, or Transana's own custom XML format. If your document is a PDF, a file in portable document format, please see the tutorial pages about working with PDF files rather than text files. If your text file is in another format, you will need to convert it to one of these formats to be able to bring it into Transana. Fortunately, that is usually as simple as choosing Save As and selecting Word DOCx or rich text format from the Save Document options. Please note that Transana does not support the complex formatting required by tables. If you have a table in your source text file, you will need to convert the table to regular text before importing the file into Transana. To import a document into Transana, right-click the library. If you're on macOS and can't right-click, holding down the Control button when you click will emulate a right-click. Now choose Add Text or PDF Document from the pop-up menu. You can enter a document ID if you'd like, but if you select a text file from your drive before you enter a document ID, Transana will automatically name your document after the text file name. Let's go ahead and select a text file to import by pressing the Browse button. I'm going to navigate to the Text Data subdirectory off of my Media Library directory and choose the documentary script DOCx file. Notice that Transana has provided a document ID that matches the file name. Now I'll click OK to import and open the document. As you can see, the new document now appears in the database tree under the library I initially selected. Transana imports the document and displays it on a new tab in the document window, ready for us to begin to analyze. One final note. When you import a text file into Transana, Transana makes a copy of the text which it stores in its database. Editing the source text file you imported won't affect the text data in Transana, and editing the text in Transana won't affect the contents of the original file.